Hey y'all, iRickSky here, and within this video I'm going to show you how to install post lights. Now these posts are 4x4s, but these lights will also work for a variety of other post sizes, and I'm going to show you in this video how to do the 4x4. So this is a 4x4 post, and you can expand this video's description and then click the link there to find where to order them online. Now the beauty of these post lights is that they're solar powered, meaning that during the day the sun will charge the battery inside, and then when it gets dark, see it's got a solar panel up here, but when it gets dark it's using the battery inside of here to power the light, so you're not using electricity. Now for my use case, this base that's on here now is too big, so I'm going to take it off. You may have a bigger post, but not for me. Mine's a 4" by 4". So the one I'm going to use, which is also included in the box, is this. Now this piece right here actually comes out, and you can see you can attach screws from the side if you want to. There's also 4 screw holes in the top. Now what I'm going to do is put this back in here, and then I'm going to position this on the post. If your post isn't level on the top, you probably want to do that before you mount this, just to make sure everything looks professional. Mine's somewhat level. And as I mentioned, I'm going to use 4 screws. So I'm going to use 4 screws, 1, 2, 3, 4. And these top holes here. You don't want to over tighten. So I'm just getting them to where they're down in there, because you don't want to bend the plastic, because this plastic part's what your solar light's going to mount to. I'm going to do all 4 screws. And these come in a variety of different colors. This is the white color, but you can expand this video's description and click the link there to find all of the colors. Again, I don't want to over tighten because I want this to be level. So I've got that in there. This one can go just a little bit more. And now what we do, the top of this pops off. So you just gently twist counterclockwise, and you can see here there's a strip in there. That's the strip to remove before initial use. So this is the battery compartment. You can see I can pop this open here, and there's a battery in there. It's a NIMH AA 600 milliamp 1.2 volt. So I pull this out and that activates the battery. Now there's a very important setting here. You can do to this side, which is white, or that side is warm. So warm has more of that dimmer orangey color, and that's what we want for this. So I put it to warm, and now I'm going to put the battery door back on. Something I wanted to point out about these, there's several varieties of post lights available online, but what really attracted me to these is the fact that this this battery, the light and everything's in the top. So when I put this back on, when I reattach this to the base, just stick it in and gently twist, the battery and the lights are in the top. So you know, rain falls from the sky, so this will likely better protect it from rain damage, which is great, because I want these to last for a while. And then you just simply put this on. And then once you get it lined up, gently twist, and boom, look at that. Look at how professional that looks, man. So now when it gets dark, since I've set it to the warm setting, which is by default, mine were cold or cool, which is the brighter white. Yours may be set up that way by default, or they may not. So it's a matter of personal preference. But the good thing is, if you ever want to switch from one color type to the other, you would just gently twist this top part off and toggle that switch the other way. But that's how easy it is to mount these solar post lights. They fit a variety of different post sizes. Expand this video's description and click the link there to find all the different post sizes that they fit. As I mentioned, these are white, but they also come in other colors. So whatever color you're looking for your deck or fence, wherever you've got a post and you need a good looking light that's solar powered, meaning you don't have to use electricity, these are a great option to consider. So I hope this video provided value. I know when I was shopping for solar post lights, I couldn't find a lot of content out there. So that's part of what prompted me to film this video. If this video helped, please like this video, subscribe, share with others. And if you're shopping for solar post lights, expand this video's description and then click the link there to find where to order them online. As I mentioned previously, they come in a variety of different colors and also different pack sizes. So I've got 9 posts, so I bought a pack of 8 plus 1 single. So I'm going to have a total of 9. Tell me what you think within the comment section below, and subscribe and check out my video After Dark where you can see these in action. Y'all have a good day. Hey y'all, iRick Guy here. I hope you enjoyed this video, and please be sure to subscribe to my channel, and when you do, ring that bell icon to be notified whenever I post another video. Thanks for your viewership, and y'all have a good day.